Hey guys, this is the Mistral cane blade ceiling fan that I have. I got this thing for $10 off Facebook Marketplace, brand new in box. I did an unboxing and installation video, but I never did a video when it was installed where the tag is now. I never did a video of it there, and I actually had it hanging in my room for about 2 or 3 months. But I didn't make a video of it there either, because this was before I started uploading videos. And then a few people have been asking me to make a video of it, so here it is. It's on its original controller. It is actually a reversible model, but I don't have that wired up at the moment because it would mean running an extra wire up to the fan, which I can't really do in this rig. I mean, I could, but it would be a little finicking around, and I don't really want to do that right now. So it's just on a plug. As you can see, the way I've done most of my fans, just on a plug. With that plug thing up there. Anyway, that doesn't matter. We'll go ahead and stick it on low. It's on the original 5-speed control. I think I already mentioned that. I originally took it down because something was making a scraping noise on the inside of the motor, like one of the bearings was scraping or something. But it seems that just from sitting around that's gone away now. So. That's what low looks like. I've got a medium low, which is speed 2. Starting to feel a breeze from it now. Okay, medium, speed 3. When it was in my room, I most commonly used it on speed 1 and 2. Just kind of went between the two of them. The GEC Windsor that's in there now is actually hanging on the original J hook for this. That I most commonly use on medium. It's on the 3-speed control. Here's speed 4, medium high. And speed 5, which is high. Okay, and off. Watch it spin down. I don't think it's going to be as long as the metal blade one because the wood blades weigh quite a bit less than the mild steel blades. I think the taps blades are mild steel, I'm not for sure. I've got a magnet here. They're aluminium. The metal bladed Mistrals have got mild steel blades and magnets stick to it. Okay, it's stopped now. So now I'm just really quickly going to show you the controller. I didn't do that in the previous Mistral video. Ignore the way it's installed. I haven't installed it just temporarily. But this is what it looks like. And you can see, you turn it to these speed settings for summer mode and then these speed settings for winter mode. So, yeah. But I don't have winter mode wired up, so if I turn it there, nothing happens. Because I don't have the second active wire running, because it needs a second active for the winter mode. It has one active for summer and one active for winter. So there you go. That's the new Inbox cane blade Mistral. So the box is over here. That's the box. The one on the box has the 70s flower pot canopies, but this one's got the bell canopies. So yeah, there's the box.